Now behind all of our architectural speaker series products, we have a new range of installation amplifiers. Michael, quite a number of products in this range. Please talk us through it.
Yeah, so we've got 4 new products in our amplifier range. We have an existing product, the IA60-12 as well, but we've introduced 4 new DSP-based amplifiers that are compatible with both 4 8-ohm loudspeakers, but also 70 volt and 100 volt line speakers.
Okay, very interesting. So, just talk to us a little bit about the sort of connectivity we've got within each of these different amplifiers.
Yes, each amplifier has the same connectivity options.
Okay.
They've got analog, unbalanced inputs, got analog balanced inputs. They've also got an SPD input and a whole bunch of extra optional GPIO expansion ports. So you can have 12 volt triggers in there, volume pots, and other like doorbell interactions and things like that. So there's a whole host of features in these products which really just enable an installer to deliver on what they need. Okay,
fantastic. These also can underpin something like our Climate Garden sub-SAT.
Absolutely.
System.
Yeah, when you've got a 70 volt line system like that, you can configure these amplifiers for that job. You can run many, many speakers on a single amplifier channel. So something like the 750-2 can run maybe 15, 16, 20 loudspeakers just off a single channel.
So on top of all of those details that you've just spoken to us about, we've made it even easier for the integrator to utilise and use these as part of the system. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So these include control drivers for Control 4, Crestron, etc. They also have a web interface that works with mobile phone, tablets and PCs. And that enables you to basically log into the system and configure its matrix routing, its parametric EQs and its limiters to really dial in the performance of any of our speakers to the environment, the room that they've been configured into.
Fantastic. If you'd like to find out more about our installation amplifiers 2G, come along to modestaudio.com.